Okay, the stock hose that comes with the unit is 1/4 inch inside diameter, and it is 12 1/2 inches long. So I want to put this straight one in just like this. Put it in right about here in line. So I've marked where I'm going to cut out the line. So there's the cut line. And you'll note there's an arrow for the direction that the flow is. So we want this to go to the carb. There it is. Now that's a Briggs & Stratton number 698183 fuel shutoff valve. So as you see it now, it's in line with the flow, so the fuel's turned on. To shut it off, simply turn it like that and the fuel's off. So we're going to put everything back together. Very simple. You're going to need a 10mm socket. You had this long bolt that went in over here. And I like to hand start everything so that you know it's not stripped. I'm not a big fan of power tools unless I'm taking off my tires. Anytime I put nuts back on or bolts back into an engine or anything, I like to use hand tools. I like to feel them going in. Something like that. There it is. We'll go ahead and start it up again. I'm going to turn the fuel flow on. Now it's going to run a little shaky when I first start it up because it's got to get all that fuel then to the bowl. There's nothing in there. Alright, let's fire it up. Okay, so you saw me shut it off, and that's how long it'll run then once the fuel is shut off. This way, during the summer when I'm using this, I use this to shut it off. I'll just leave the handle down, let it run out of its fuel. Now for winter storage, what I'll do the same thing here. I'll shut that off, but then I'll go over to the bowl on the carburetor underneath here, and I'll drain that just to make damn sure that everything's out of it for winter storage.